Hey everyone! Welcome back to AWESMR Kids! Today I'm super excited to teach you about colors using this blender. I have also invited some friends to help me out. Hey guys, who's ready to learn some colors? Where is everyone else? Paw Patrol, to the lookout! Ryder needs us! Ryder's calling! Chase is on the case! Be right there, Ryder! Let's go! My highly trained paws are at your service! Ruff, ruff. Thanks for coming, guys! The kids need our help learning colors. Are you guys ready to help them? Yeah! Yes! Yep! Ruff, ruff. Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Okay, I want everyone to grab some colored gumballs and bring it back to me. Buddy up with another pup so we can mix the two colors together to make a new color. Chase is on the case! Let's go! Ruff, ruff. Ryder! Here's some yellow gumballs. Good job, Rubble! Now we have to find out what color we can mix with yellow. How about red, Ryder? Yeah! Red and yellow mixed together does make a new color, but what color does it make? I guess we'll just have to find out. But first, why don't you guys give us some examples of your colors? Okay! My color is yellow, and yellow is the color of SpongeBob and Minions. My color is red, and red is the color of fire trucks and Lightning McQueen. Great job, guys! Now let's see what happens when we mix the two colors together. Can you help us pour it in? Oh, of course I can. First, I'll put in yellow. And now I'll add some red. Hit it, Ryder! You guys created orange, and orange is the color of Nemo and Marlin. Awesome job, Paw Patrol! Now go out and find some more colors for me. Rubble on the double! Ryder, sir, I've brought you some blue gumballs. Great job, Chase! Now, what color can be mixed with blue? Ooh, pick me! How about yellow, Ryder? Oh, that might work. Get in position, pups. My color is blue, and blue is the same color as Dory and Sully. I have yellow, and yellow is the color of Winnie the Pooh and Big Bird. All right, I'll put in blue first. And now yellow. Mix it up, Ryder. You made green. And green is the color of Kermit the Frog and Pascal from Tangled. Oh, green! I got it! All right, Paw Patrol, keep up the good work. The Paw Patrol is on a roll. Hey, Ryder, I found red. What color does red go with? What other color does red go with? Do you guys know? Yell it out if you do. How about blue, Ryder? What do you guys think? Can blue and red be mixed together to make a new color? I guess there's only one way to find out. Go first, Marshall. This is red, and red is the color of Elmo and Terrence from Angry Birds. I have blue, and blue is the color of Smurfs and the Cookie Monster. I'll put in red first. Time for blue. Hit it, Ryder! You guys made purple! And purple is the color of twilight, sparkle, and rarity. Oh, yay, purple! I'll take it! That was some good mixing! Head out and see if you can find any more combinations! You got it, Ryder, sir! Oh, you're back so soon, Marshall! RoboDog asked me to meet him here. Here he comes now! What do you have for me, RoboDog? Looks like you brought me some white gumballs. I think this color combo is gonna work. My color is red. And red is the color of Ariel's hair and her buddy Sebastian. I'll put in red first. And now white. You guys made pink! And pink is the color of Piglet and Kirby. Ooh, pink! That's my favorite! Come on over, Paw Patrol! Great job today, Paw Patrol! We helped the kids learn about colors! You guys sure did! Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!